Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of spending hours cleaning your pool, or paying someone else to do it, this one's for you. Today, I'm reviewing the AIPER Scuba X1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner, one of the most advanced and efficient pool robots I've tested so far. Cordless freedom for hassle-free cleaning. The Scuba X1 is completely cordless, so you can say goodbye to tangled cables and extension cords. Just charge it, drop it in, and let it go. That makes it ideal for in-ground pools up to 2,150 square feet, plenty of coverage for most backyards. Cross-pattern smart navigation. Instead of moving randomly like older pool robots, the Scuba X1 uses cross-pattern smart navigation. It maps your pool and follows an efficient cleaning path, making sure it covers every inch of the floor and walls without wasting time or power. Upgraded battery life and fast charging. AIPER has seriously improved the battery this time. The Scuba X1 runs for up to 150 minutes on a single charge, that's over 2 hours of deep cleaning, and it recharges quickly, so you're ready for the next use in just a few hours. Horizontal waterline scrubbing. One standout feature is horizontal waterline scrubbing. It's not just cleaning the floor, it actually scrubs the entire waterline, removing buildup and algae that usually require manual brushing. It's like having your own underwater janitor that never gets tired. Smart surface parking for easy retrieval. When it's done, the Scuba X1 doesn't just stop randomly. It uses smart surface parking, meaning it automatically parks itself near the pool wall so you can easily lift it out. No more diving or fishing with a pole. Fully cordless convenience. You just drop it in and forget about it. No cords, no plugs, no tangles. Efficient cleaning pattern. The cross-pattern navigation really makes a difference. My pool was cleaned faster and with fewer missed spots. Excellent battery life. 2.5 hours of runtime means even large pools get fully covered in one go. Premium price point. It's an investment, but you're paying for top-tier performance. No app or remote control. It's fully automatic, which is great, but some users might miss having manual control or app scheduling options. If you're looking for a smart, cordless, and powerful robotic cleaner that actually takes the hassle out of pool maintenance, the AIPER Scuba X1 is absolutely worth checking out. It's efficient, durable, and it feels like future tech. You can find it right now on Amazon, links in the description or right here. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more smart home and pool tech reviews. Thanks for watching.